trash on the floor and say, oh, someone will get it, or it's just a little trash, what is the harm? Some of you may be thinking, yeah, my child do and my spouse do, but seriously, will you do that? Do you know how much littering is becoming a worldwide problem? You might be saying, well, I don't litter, what does that have to do with me? You won't be thinking that after today. Many people don't realize how bad litter is in their community until it is brought to their attention. According to the Department of Environment, Energy and Forestry, litter is defined as whenever waste is not properly disposed of and it is considered litter. Litter comes in all shapes and all sizes. It can be found anywhere. It could be from a wrapper tossed out of a car, a debris flying out of a truck, or like a baby diaper not disposed right in a bin. It is considered litter. Or also it could be a cigarette butt, when you smoke the cigarettes, like when it's flicked. In fact, surveys frequently find that cigarettes butt makes half of the litter in most areas. Well, in the next few minutes, I'll tell you some information that will be an eye-opener to you. Today, we'll first start why littering is a problem. Next, we will take a look at the causes and effect. Last, we will take an action to stop littering. First, let's understand the problem. Littering causes environmental problem. It clogs our waterways, penetrates our air. Littering has a really bad impact around the world, and it damages places where we commonly work, walk, play, and live. According to Stone Circle, an environmental education program, there are 10 primary sources of litter. Some sources directly relate to what people do, while others come from manufacturing or commercial sources. Littering has been a problem as long as we all can remember. Litter is everywhere. And illegal dumps are places where uncaring people throw unwanted appliances, worn tires, or construction debris, or every other imaginable item. According to the National Littering Studies commissioned by the Beverage Industry Environmental Council, cigarettes are the most littered items, constituting 58% of all litter. Now that we have discussed the problem, we are going to introduce the cause. As a society, we are responsible. People tend to litter because they feel no sense of personal ownership. According to Keep America Beautiful, people often believe that someone else, or a park maintenance, or a highway worker will pick up the litter that has been accumulated over the past days. Because any and all items used in human activity have a potential of being litter. So any item could be litter, even a pencil thrown on the trash, on the floor. And as the other day, as I was walking by, I saw a young mother and her son walking, and I saw that the son was throwing a trash, like a wrapper on the floor, and I said to myself, like, why are they throwing that? And like, the people who throw that are the people who are like, they're fighting, saying that, well, why is there litter in our community? And they're the ones who caused it. Like, they're the ones who are throwing the litter. So now, so we can see that litter affects our environment. The cost of cleanup street litter is now over $700 a year. According to an environmental education program of the Prague Post Endowment Fund, published on February 19, 2003, litter costs money. Removing litter from the environment costs everyone money. Litter is a threat to public health. Litter is everywhere and illegal dumps. Okay. Now that we have discussed the problem, we are going to introduce the cause. Litter is a threat to public health. Litter attracts vermin and is a breeding ground for bacteria. Items such as broken glass and sirens can be a health hazard in public places. According to Really Times, a news article published on October 21, 1999, most famous drivers-related deaths occurred last November when filmmaker Alan Pakula was killed after his vehicle was stuck by a steel pipe left on a Long Island highway. And according to reports, the pipe was hit by another vehicle which propelled it through a void shredded tire. And the effect litter has is that it can cause accidents, because some people, like how I mentioned earlier, that trucks, their debris flies and it's not properly fixed, and it could fly and hit the highways and the roadways, and it could cause accidents in our society. And this is an example which I found in a news article on the internet, that this filmmaker died because of a pipe left on the road. So that's the effect it has on our society. Last, we will seek solutions to stop littering. How can we prevent litter? There are numerous ways. First, pick up garbage instead of leave it in the streets or gutters. Sweep paved areas and pick up all the waste. Never hose litter, leaves, or debris down into gutters and drains, as it finally ends up polluting our natural waterways through the water system. And set an example of others by not littering. As you can see, littering is an important issue, and its personal effects as well. It's not hard to help out to stop littering. Just get involved in your community or in programs in your community. So now today I have talked about what is the problem, what causes it, and the effect it has on us and our community. And last, we seek actions toward stopping littering. So I hope that I have motivated each of you to take a stand and work together to stop littering. As we know, a clean world makes a healthier earth. And right here is my poster, and that's a cause, which is us, which we throw. I'm not saying that all of you, but half of you do like litter something. And the effect is that it's accumulating in our community. It's making it a bad image, and you don't want that. And the solution is to keep it clean and dispose the trash properly in bins. Thank you.